Welcome to Emilak Online tutorial. Now before us is this trigonometric question, and it says that given that 180 is less than b degrees and b degrees is less than 360 degrees and tan b equals negative 21/20, find the exact value of cos b. Okay, so here we are given the range of b, so which means b is greater than 180 when less than what? 360. Okay, so which implies that b should fall in the fourth quadrant. Okay, you might be asking, what is the fourth quadrant? Okay, now here is the first quadrant. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is what? The fourth quadrant. So at the first quadrant, here is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is 360. So taking our angle anti-clockwise from here like this. Okay, so at this point, at this quadrant, sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta, all is what? Positive. So on the second quadrant, sine alone here is positive, then cos and theta is negative. Then at this point here, tan here is positive, while sine and cosine is negative. Then at this point here, cos theta is positive. Okay, all right. So let me just put here that tan theta here is negative, then here is positive, then here is what? Negative. Okay, so all right, so we are looking at this. Okay, so our b as per the tan here will be what? Negative, since tan theta here is what? Negative. All right, so now let us recall this trigonometry identity formula. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals what? 1. Okay, and again, tan theta equals sine theta all over cos theta. All right, now this is the formula we're making use of. However, but because here tan theta equals to sine all over cos theta, so let us plug in the value of tan b for what? Tan theta. So here we have minus 21 all over what? 20 equals what? Sine theta all over what? Cos what? Theta. So let us make sine theta the subject of formula here, then plugging it here. So making sine theta the subject of formula here, we get to have that minus 21 all over 20, then cos theta equals sine. Okay, so let us now plug in sine theta, which is minus 21 all over 20 cos theta, into this. So here we have minus 21 all over 20 cos theta all squared, which is this, then plus cos square theta equals what? 1. Now if I were to open the bracket here, so 2, the whole of this now, that is minus 21 all over 20 squared, will give us 441 all over 400, then cos square theta plus cos square theta equals what? 1. Okay, now since we have the same term, we can just add. However, you might be wondering why, how. Okay, since here we have a denominator of 1, we can actually multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 400, so we'll have the same denominator. So here we have 441 cos square theta all over 400, then plus 400 cos square theta all over 400, then equals 1. So at this point now we can now add 441 plus this, that should give us 8 41. Okay, then cos square theta all over 400 equals what? 1. Now making cos square theta the square formula, we end up having cos square theta equals 400 then all over 841. Okay, now let us find the square root of both sides, or let us square root both sides, sorry. So this will give us a sine theta equals to plus or minus the square root of 400 all over 841. Now this will give us a cos theta equals the square root of 400, that will give us 20, then all over the square root of 841, that should give us 29. So you have 29. Take note, this is plus or minus, but we are told to find the exact value. For the exact value, so we have that cos B this time around will now give us what? 20 over what? 29. Thank you and God bless you.